Hello! Welcome to Quickfire English and Zero Preparation Activities for ESL teachers. Today, how just a few questions on the board can create a speaking task to give our students a thorough grammar and functions workout and help them develop soft skills like problem solving, critical thinking and decision making. Now, I'll break this video into 3 parts. First, what a decision tree looks like. Then I'll run through the procedure and pull back the curtain on the grammar and functions. And finally, I'll talk modifications for lower levels. So our board looks like this. First we write what is the problem. Then an arrow to the second question. How did the problem start and how has it developed since? Next, we branch off to what is a possible solution. Then we ask students to consider 2 possible results of that solution. After that, students consider another possible solution and its possible outcomes. Finally, the group chooses its preferred solution. So, how do we implement this? Well, first, put students into groups and give them a problem. And this can fit any lesson. For example, I've given general groups general problems, like exam stress, and I've given field-specific groups field-specific problems. For example, my environmental engineers got the problem of plastic in the ocean. Okay, next we give each student time to think through the problem-solving tree individually, because that's going to get their critical thinking gears in motion and they'll have more to say during the task. Finally, each group works through the tree, discussing and answering each question in order. Now, to illustrate the grammar and functions, I'm going to throw some more arrows and words on the board. But to be clear, these do not go on your classroom board, this is just for you guys. Okay, so the first question asks about a current situation. So to answer, students are going to use present tenses. The second question is in 2 parts. When students answer how did the problem begin, they're going to need past tenses. Then, and how has it developed since, is going to prompt the present perfect. The next branches ask for solutions, and they prompt 1. Modal verbs, like we could do this, 2. Phrases for suggestions, like why don't we, and 3. Conditionals, like if we do this, then X, Y, Z. And those modals, suggestion phrases and conditionals continue with the next branch because students speculate on possible outcomes. Finally, the last question encourages functions for giving opinions and reasons. For example, I think we should do X because Y, and so on. Now, for lower level groups, just eliminate branches from the tree. For example, in the second question, you could kill and how has it developed since to skip the present perfect, or just omit this branch altogether. Or maybe you want to kill the parts where students speculate on possible outcomes of their solutions. The task is really adaptable, so modify however you like. Now, if you got something out of this video, please give it a like and consider sharing. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe and the bell for notifications. Okay, we are out. Cheers for watching and I'll see you in the next video.